Hi, I'm Trish from Speedwell. In this clip, we'll look at selecting questions for an exam using a blueprint. We've created an exam and we're adding questions using the subgroups from Bloom's. So from knowledge, we've added a question, and we'll now select the subgroup comprehension and add a question from that as well. And we could continue manually working through each of our subgroups in turn to complete the questions in our exam. And then save. Our questions are listed below, but now we're going to add new questions to our exam using the blueprint. Our Bloom's taxonomy subgroups are shown as columns in the blueprint, and we can see the questions we've added already. So here's 2020 Q37, showing an application, and it also belongs in knowledge, as well as a subgroup promoting health. And this single question can be added or removed from any of the subgroups it belongs to. And we can scroll down through our learning outcome rows to check the coverage of this question. And I'm now scrolling back up through the learning outcomes to look for another moderate question. These questions are coloured green in the blueprint. I can preview the question and have a look at the performance before I select it. Once I've selected all my questions, I can check the coverage of each of the questions using the Bloom's taxonomy columns and the learning outcome rows. And this is a summary blueprint of my completed exam. I can expand each subgroup and look at the questions I'm using. I can check the overall blueprint for gaps in subtopics, and I can export it. And it will export to a spreadsheet or CSV file, which looks like this when you open it in the spreadsheet. The Bloom's taxonomy columns show clearly the learning outcome rows. And you can share this with colleagues who need to see the blueprint, check the coverage of the questions in the exam, who are not using the Speedwell e-system. I hope you found this clip useful. If you'd like more information about creating exams using blueprinting or the Speedwell e-system, or you want to book a free demo, please contact us at speedwellsoftware.com.